Bluetooth 5.0 earbuds become more and more popular these days. So is this one, the Lesoom T2 Bluetooth earbuds. And today let's check them out. The T2 earbuds are currently priced under $50 on Amazon, one of the cheapest options you can get for Bluetooth 5.0 right now. The design of the box is pretty simple. We got the Lesoom logo in the front, and some bare minimum information on the back. The box opens like a mini drawer. And the first thing we see is the user's manual, and it is in a couple different languages. The actual earbuds are sitting in this foam cutout. It looks like we also have two more boxes inside. One box contained micro USB charging cable, and the other box contained the charging base for the earbuds. Also under this foam cutout, we can see more accessories. There are two bags of ear tips in different sizes, so you get 6 different ear tips in different sizes. The look of these earbuds are pretty typical TWS earbuds. You got one multifunction button up here, and a tiny LED indicator in the middle. And that goes the same as the other one. The quality of the charging base is pretty substantial, and it's also not overly sized, which I prefer a lot. And now let's get right into the in-depth review of the Lesoom T2 TWS earbuds. And I'll start with pros. The design of these earbuds make them very comfortable to wear. They shape like water drops, and they fit in your ear quite perfectly and snugly. The T2 has very low latency with Bluetooth version 5.0. You won't have issues with audio and video goes out of sync when a movie is playing. This makes the T2 great for both music listening and movie watching. The sound signature of the T2 is also pretty outstanding. The earbuds have good emphasis on bass response. They're pretty punchy for the size and great for general pop music genre. The onboard volume control is definitely one of a kind. Most TWS style earbuds don't have separate volume control function, but on the T2, you can use the right side earbuds to circulate volume without you touching the smartphone. It's not the easiest way to control volume on something this tiny, but at least they attempted to try and make it work. If you like to turn off these earbuds, you can long press the multifunction button on either side of the earbud. For example, if you turn the left one off, the right one will also turn off, and vice versa. Pretty convenient because it doesn't require you to long press both earbuds to power off. Pairing is relatively easy, even for the first time. For your initial pairing, all you have to do is turn both earbuds on, wait a couple seconds and search and click T2 on your phone. And after that, it's just a matter of turning on and off the earbuds. And now for the cons. The multifunction button is a little hard to press, especially when you're wearing them on your ears. I feel like I have to press them pretty firmly to activate functions, so this can be a little bit uncomfortable. The set I received produces Chinese voice prompt. I tried a couple methods online already, but I could not get these T2 earbuds into English voice prompt. Maybe I received the wrong global version, but I can see this problem could be potentially confusing for certain people. Overall, I can definitely tell you these are competitive to other Bluetooth 5.0 earbuds on the market. I've seen other ones around $60, but if you're looking for a cheaper option, but still with outstanding quality, check it out, the Lesoom T2. I'll put the link in the description down below. Consider like and subscribe to the channel, and as always, I will see you next time.